Okay, this is part one of how to unload your 4-ton package air conditioner for your house. Mine got hit by lightning a few weeks ago. I got to take this out of the truck by myself. I'm using my lift. And this is either going to look really good or I'm going to be out a lot of money if that falls. So stick around. We're going to find out. Here we go. So far, so good. Downscope. That's a relief. Okay, that went pretty well. A couple scratches in my paint job on the air conditioner, but not too bad. Please ignore the obnoxious television playing in the background that I have to listen to 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So there it is. There's my new AC. Now I got to pick it up with my motor crane, put it on my little trailer, go out to the side of my house, disconnect the other big unit, just like this, that's on there, pick that up with the crane, put it on the trailer, remove it, and hook it all up. Just another fun day here in the neighborhood. And it couldn't have come a bit sooner. There's the temperature out here today in the shop, hovering right around 95. So, not a moment too soon. Okay, that's part one of the 4-ton AC install. Got it out of the truck without killing myself, the truck or the unit, so that's a good day. Alright, thanks for watching.